Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the changes that AI is bringing to your workplace. AI is here and it is only going to become even bigger and more powerful, so we will see how employees have already started using AI at your workplace and what you must do to get ready. Before we jump into the topic, it would be super cool if you subscribe to our channel, and we promise to bring better and more useful AI content for you. All right, let's go. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and interact with technology. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as decision-making, problem-solving, and natural language processing. As AI technology continues to advance, it is becoming increasingly integrated into various aspects of the workplace, from automating repetitive tasks to helping professionals make more informed decisions. Here are some ways AI is transforming the workplace. 1. Automating routine tasks. AI is likely to automate many routine tasks in the workplace, freeing up workers to focus on higher-level tasks. This can lead to increased productivity and efficiency in the workplace. 2. Improving decision-making. AI can help professionals make more informed decisions by analyzing large amounts of data and providing insights that humans may not be able to see on their own. 3. Enhancing customer service. AI-powered chatbots can provide customers with quick and accurate responses to their inquiries, improving customer satisfaction and reducing the workload for human customer service representatives. 4. Lead generation. AI can help businesses identify potential customers by analyzing data on their behavior and preferences. 5. Fraud detection. AI can be used to detect fraudulent activity by analyzing patterns in data that may indicate fraudulent behavior. 6. Quality control. AI can be used to monitor product quality and identify defects in real time, reducing the need for manual inspections. While AI has many potential benefits for the workplace, it also raises concerns about plagiarism and copyright infringement. One of the most popular AI language models is ChatGPT, which can generate text that is difficult to distinguish from human-written content. While ChatGPT is not inherently plagiarizing content, it can be a problem for teachers and editors when it comes to plagiarism, because it can produce text that is similar to existing content without proper attribution. This can be a challenge for plagiarism detectors because ChatGPT-generated text is not copied and pasted, so traditional plagiarism scanners may not detect it. However, there are ways to fight back against AI-generated plagiarism. One solution is to use AI-powered plagiarism detectors that are specifically designed to identify text generated by ChatGPT and other similar language models. These detectors work by analyzing the structure and content of the text to identify similarities with existing content. Some of these detectors include Copyscape, Turnitin, and Grammarly. Another solution is to use AI chatbots like ChatGPT as a tool for scientific writing. Chatbots can assist researchers and scientists in organizing their ideas and writing more effectively. However, it's important to ensure that the outputted text is properly attributed and cited to avoid plagiarism. It's also important to note that AI rewriters should not be relied on completely for writing posts. While they can help with many areas of content creation, they should be viewed as an aid for writing and editing rather than a substitute. Plagiarizing content is never a good idea, and using AI rewriters does not excuse plagiarism. In conclusion, AI has many potential benefits for the workplace, including automating routine tasks, improving decision-making, enhancing customer service, lead generation, fraud detection, and quality control. However, it also raises concerns about plagiarism and copyright infringement. While there are ways to fight back against AI-generated plagiarism, it's important to use AI rewriters as an aid for writing and editing rather than a substitute, and to avoid plagiarizing content at all costs. As AI technology continues to advance, it will be important for businesses and individuals alike to stay informed about its potential benefits and risks in order to make informed decisions about how best to use this powerful technology. That is all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more AI content every day. Keep learning. Bye-bye.